Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now grey. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, click on Display section, scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!